Hey y'all, hey, happy Vlogmas. So I decided that I wanted to do Vlogmas for you guys. So here we are. So I am going to show you guys how I decorate my trees. I bought two trees. One is a 3-foot tree from Walmart. It ran me about 30 bucks. And then the other one is a small tree from Dollar Tree, which was about $1. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. So the tree from Walmart actually came pre-lit. And then of course the tree from Dollar Tree did not come pre-lit. So I got all of the ornaments for each tree though from Dollar Tree. I got the stars from Dollar Tree, the tree skirt from Dollar Tree. And I also got these LED lights from Dollar Tree that are battery operated. So I am going to actually put them on the tree, the mini tree, because the mini tree ended up going in my window for like a little display when people look up at the window. So yes. Now I'm going to be totally honest with you guys. I have not decorated a Christmas tree since I was like 8 or 9 years old. My family stopped doing it around that time because we have a really huge tree. And, you know, as we gotten older, we really don't celebrate Christmas as much. But I really wanted to bring in the Christmas holiday just to get me motivated to do Vlogmas. And I thought that it would just be really cute, seeing as though we have not had a tree in a very long time. That's why I ended up getting the mini trees, because worst case scenario, if I don't feel like putting it up, I don't feel bad about throwing a Dollar Tree away. Um, but no, I probably won't throw them away. And they're easier to store than the larger tree. I don't have to sit there and take everything apart, this, that, and the third. Um, both of the trees are like one whole piece except for the foot parts. They come off. And as you guys can see, I have a kitten. She is crazy. Her name is Kuma, which is Japanese for bear, I believe. So yeah, as you guys will see her throughout this video, just tearing up my tree. Even the tree has still been up for about a week or two now. After you guys are seeing this video, I actually did this Thanksgiving Day. She still bothers the trees, still to this day. The poor little Dollar Tree tree now, it looks like Charlie Brown's Christmas tree. Thanks to her, she tears it up. So, and you know what? I can't even complain because, like I said, it's a Dollar Tree little Christmas tree. They'll have some more probably next year. That's her right there. She isn't a rescue, but she was a stray. I brought her in, and I'm loving on her. So, yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys continue to watch the video. Like I said, everything that you guys will see in this video is from Dollar Tree except for the 3-foot tree that is from Walmart. The star that I just put on that tree, it is from Dollar Tree. And we're done, you guys. I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video. I hope that I may have encouraged someone to go out and get a Christmas tree. Get into the festive mood. I'm probably going to pick up some candy canes to put on the tree just to make it look a little bit cuter. And maybe keep her away from my tree because I heard cats don't like peppermint. So, yeah, so I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe, please. Also, follow me on Twitter and Instagram. All the links will be down below. Bye-bye.